हाय, आई एम नीता और आज मैं आपके लिए कार्ड्स निकालने वाली हूँ फॉर द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल फॉर ईच ज़ोडिएक साइन। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एरीज। अगर आपका जन्म मार्च 21 और अप्रैल 19 के बीच में हुआ है, देन योर ज़ोडिएक साइन इज एरीज। So maybe you've been thinking a lot, and this is the time that you will get results based on your efforts. It's time for you to be very fair, Aries, because otherwise you're not going to get results. The next zodiac sign is Taurus. अगर आपका जन्म April 20th और May 20th के बीच में हुआ है, then your sign is Taurus. Now Taurus is going to be very, very balanced in this month. You have to be very patient. अगर आपके results नहीं आ रहे हैं तो भी continue doing exactly what you're doing. Do not get disheartened because you're going to get results very, very soon. The next sign is Gemini. If you're born between May 21st and June 21st, your sign is Gemini. Now, Gemini may be in a state where you've just finished a project or maybe you're starting one. But whatever it is, it's time for you to celebrate. It's also somewhere you have to remove your self-placed boundaries in order to succeed. So examine where your boundaries are and try and let go of those boundaries in order to succeed. Cancer is the next sign, and if you're born between June 22nd and July 22nd, तो आपका sign है Cancer. Now Cancers are very emotional people, but this is a month for you to be very, very practical. पैसे बहुत सारे आने वाले हैं कैंसर वालों के पास, and this is where you will use your past experience, especially where your career is concerned. Communication is the key. Remain balanced while talking, even though you're so very emotional. So the next sign is Leo, and if you're born between July 22nd to August 22nd, your sign is Leo. Now Leos, lot of success in your career and all. I mean, you're going to get awards if you're in a position or in a profession where you can get awards. However, there seems to be some kind of money investment gone wrong. Somewhere you may invest money and that money might be difficult to bring out. So take care while investing your money and enjoy your success. The next sign is Virgo. If you're born between August 23rd to September 22nd, your sign is Virgo. So Virgo, lots of opportunities seem to come up for you. Have a lot of faith in yourself because this is the time where you have to choose exactly the direction you want to move in. Now, all those opportunities may not work out this month, but they will in the future. So all you need to do is patiently keep doing what you're doing. Do not get disheartened and continue being patient. The next sign is Libra, and if you're born between September 23rd to October 23rd, your sign is Libra. A big change coming up for Librans, and it's almost like a new start. You may even change direction. Your spiritual journey will suddenly begin, or you may start a new career or a new direction. It's almost like a fresh start for you in your life in the month of April. Try and remain grounded because you're going to be shaken up. The next sign is Scorpio, and if you're born from October 24 to November 21st, this is your sign. A need for rest, a need to go on a vacation or a trip is very important for you. I mean, this is the time when you need to spend some time alone, meditate, and reflect upon whatever life has brought for you. Lots of messages regarding money also for you, Scorpio. If you were born between November 22nd and December 21st, your sign is Sagittarius. Sagittarius, this is time to surrender and just flow with whatever is going on in your life. Things are beyond your control now, and just believe in yourself and be very, very fair. Your results will come. Again, this is a month where just flow along. Surrender. Lots of spiritual awakening happening for you only if you surrender. If you were born between December 22nd to January 19th, आपका sign है Capricorn. Capricorns are usually very business-minded, and what I'm seeing here is lots of hard work, almost like a workaholic, and some confusion, some politics at work, So take it easy, be careful, and don't get so involved in your work that you don't know what's going on behind your back. Again, if you're studying, this is the time to really be diligent and pay attention to details. If you are born between January 18th to February 20th, your sign is Aquarius. Now, Aquarius, you might actually have a very stuck feeling in this coming month, and this could happen because of your lack of calm communication. There is a possibility कि आपके sharp words जो हैं, they might trouble your relationships or your any relationship, work, home, personal, anything. This is also a period for you to let go of the past so that you do not come out with harsh words. If you were born between February 19th to March 20th, your sign is Pisces. For the Pisceans, a time for celebration, decisions to be made and balance to be brought after making those decisions. Very tough decision seems to be troubling you, and this is a period where you need to use your inner intuition and do not use your logic. This is also a month of celebration for you. So let us know if this resonates with you, and keep watching for more such readings on our channel. See you soon.